the insurance industry has had a habit in the past of designing these really great products, really technical, really cool, and then finding that people didn't really want to buy them because we hadn't actually asked whether the client wanted them. They made sense from a technical perspective. They were kind of cool, but they weren't necessarily what people wanted. From an innovation perspective, we would view our culture as innovation is at the core of everything that we do. Every team is pushed every year to what could you do? What could you do more for your clients? What could you add onto your product? What could you do a bit differently? And then about a year ago, I wanted to set up an incubation underwriting team, which sits outside of the trading team structure and reports into me. And the aim for that one was, how do we do groundbreaking innovation? How do we take a new product that doesn't fit within a trading team and that you don't then get rebuffed because, you know, every underwriter's there going, and I've been there, I'm really busy. I've got all of my renewals coming up. I've got all of my clients I'm meeting. I don't have time to innovate, think about, give this one the intellectual capital it requires to determine what the solution is. So like, why don't we just carve that out and give it to a couple of people and go, right, that's your job. And a lot of it is around the intangible space right now. That makes sense. We're looking at it going, the intangibles, massive part of balance sheets, very underinsured. We've just relaunched a reputational risk product. And a lot of the conversations are, you know, with the client, what's the demand? What is the problem that you're trying to solve? And how can we solve it? How can insurance be used here? And I think when we talk about innovation as well, to me, innovation isn't just here's an insurance product and it's a risk transfer, because there's so much more we can do as an industry. We can do all of the risk management services. You know, we have ultimately as an insurance company and the industry a lot of aggregated knowledge that we can use to help a client better. So if you look at the cyber products, you know, when you look at the cyber breaches, you know, client, most of them would hopefully not experience one, but if they do, it will hopefully be the only breach that they experience. Well, we have the experience of handling hundreds, probably thousands of data breaches for our clients. So we can use that to help any client when they have them. We go, well, this is what you do. Here's the solution in place, and can seamlessly provide that risk management solution.